This is no ordinary family home. It's mission control for the Young Stuff Space Program. The project is run by sisters Rebecca and Kimberly Young from Seattle, Washington. Right now, they're planning a mission into one of Earth's systems called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds the Earth. It is essential to life on Earth because it allows us to breathe and keeps the planet at the right temperature. They've loaded up their balloon with cameras, trackers, and a tiny crew. Now, let's see how high it can go.
3, 2, 1. Liftoff!
The balloon is full of a gas called helium, which is lighter than air. This allows it to rise through the atmosphere. The air in Earth's atmosphere is a mixture of gases. It's mostly made up of nitrogen and oxygen, plus smaller amounts of other gases, like argon and carbon dioxide. There are also some solid materials floating around up there, like tiny specks of dust and pollen. And there's water, too. Some of the water in the atmosphere is an invisible gas called water vapor. Some is liquid, like the water droplets in rain clouds. And there's even solid water in the form of tiny pieces of ice and snow. Luckily, there's no rain or snow to get in the way of today's mission. As the balloon floats higher, the air gets thinner and cooler. The balloon is now almost 15 kilometers above the Earth, high above most clouds. Eventually, after 2.5 hours in the air, the balloon reaches its limit, 30 kilometers above the Earth. The balloon then bursts, and the craft falls back to Earth. But the atmosphere doesn't stop here where the balloon popped. If you move farther upwards, the air keeps getting thinner and thinner until eventually, around 100 kilometers above the Earth's surface, you leave the atmosphere and reach outer space. Back down on the ground, Rebecca and Kimberly track down their craft and start planning their next incredible mission into Earth's atmosphere.